Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We're going to start with grade 4 language arts. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select language arts from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter dictionary skills, and the lessons we are going to cover today are use guide words and then use dictionary definitions. Then we'll start the new chapter, that is thesaurus skills, and the lessons we're going to cover is use thesaurus entries. So let's just start with the first lesson. So here I'm on grade 4 language arts. So let's just start with we're working on the chapter dictionary skills, and the lesson we're going to cover is use guide words. So let's just start with the lesson. Basically we're going to learn how do we look at the meanings of the word in dictionary. Got it? So let's just start with the use guide words. Okay, here is the definition. Let's just listen to me carefully. Guide words. Guide word appears on each page of a dictionary. They tell you the first word and the last word on the page. Basically, from the guide words, you can see if the required word is on the page or on the next page. Got it? The other words on the page come between the guide words in alphabetical order. Got it? To put words in alphabetical order, put them in order by their first letter. So they are arranged them by the first letter. If the first letter are the same, look at the second letters. If the second letters are the same, look at the third letters, and so on. If one word is shorter, there are no more letters to compare, then the shorter words come first in alphabetical order. Like if you have to look at the word B, it would be before bed. Got it? BE and then BED. So BE is before bed. Got it? Let's just start with the practice question. Let's see how do we look for the meanings in the dictionary. Okay. Which word would you find on a dictionary page with the following guide words? Seven and sniff. Basically, when I am reading the definitions, you can, that is the guide words that is written on the top of the page. Seven and sniff means all the words that starts with S and have the second letter between E and F, E and N. Here is the letter E for from the seven, the second one, and N. The words that have the first letter S and their second letter would be in between E and N are on the same page. Got it? Okay, now you have the two words given, scent and ship. You need to see which one is on the same page. Scent, SC. C is before E. Got it? That means no. That is on the earlier pages than the same one. Got it? Ship, H is in between E and N. Got it? That means ship is on the same page with the guide words 7 and sniff. Got it? That's how you look at the dictionaries. Ship is in between the words 7 and sniff. Got it? Okay, the next one is, would you find the word cuff on a dictionary page with the following guide, chamber and cramp? Okay, we need to see, can we find the word cuff on the same page? Okay, so the cuff, C, 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 the first letter of all the words are C. Look for the second ones. Here you have H and here you have R. And the second one of the cuff is O. Do we have O in between H or R? Yes, we have H, O, P, Q, R. O is in between H and R. That means yes, you can find the word cuff on the same page as chamber and cramp. Got it? The correct option is yes. No, why it is yes? See, it's yes. Because kaf, the second one is O, and O is in between. I forgot the letters. H and R, I think. Got it? Okay, which word would you on the dictionary? Which word would you find on a dictionary page with the following guide words? Okay, the guide words are delight and domino. You need to see which one is in between delight and domino, despite or drain. Got it? Okay, the first letters of all of them are exactly same. Just look for the second letter, E and O. E and O. Okay, now the first letter is despite, I and R. Got it? I and R are the second letter. So dispute, sorry. Okay, yes, I is in between E and O, but R is after the O. That means you can find a train on the next page and maybe the next 2 3 pages, but you can find dispute on the same page. Got it? Okay, the next one is, would you find the word result on the dictionary page with the following guide words room and rest? Do you find rest result on the same page? Which is the correct option? Yes or no? Yes, that would be no, because E is before O. That means you can find result earlier than this page, before this page. Got it? Could be no. Okay, I forgot. Click on the OK button. Could be no. Okay, would you find a word today on a dictionary page with the following guide words teeth or triangle? Do we find today on the same page? It is yes. O. O is in between E and R, so it would be the correct option is yes. Okay, which word would you find on a dictionary page with the following guide words regard or rotatory, which is in between them, river or railway? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? That would be river, because I is in between E and O. Got it? So it would be the first option, river. Okay, would you find the word ransom on a dictionary page with the following guide words? So which is the correct option? Register and roll. Yes or no? No. Ransom, you have A as a second word, and register is you have E. A is before E, so it wouldn't be on the same page. Got it? It would be on the earlier pages. The correct option is no. Okay, which word would you find on a dictionary page with the following guide words? Beacon or breed? So which word is on the same page? Bake or blow? Yes, it would be blow, because bake, A is before E, so it would be blow. L is between E and R. Okay, which word would you find on a dictionary page with the following guide words? Meet or multiply, which is the correct option? Motor or manage? Which is the correct option? Yes, it would be Manage? No, it would be motor. Manage, the second word is A. The second letter is A. A is before E. Got it? So it would be motor. O is in between E and U. It is motor, not multiply. Not manage. Motor it is. Okay, the next one is, would you find the word plate on a dictionary page with the following guide words? So which is the correct option? Pickle or puppy? Yes or no? Which is the correct option? Plate. L is yes after I, so it would be yes. You can find plate on the same page. Got it? Okay, would you find the word amber on a dictionary page with the following guide words? Effect or elm? L M L M. No, it would be no because M is after the L, so it would be no. You cannot find the word on the same page. Got it? The answer is no. Okay, would you find the word rubbish on the dictionary page with the following guide words rapidly or request? Which is the correct option? Rubbish, U is after the E. So no, it wouldn't be on the same page. Got it? The correct option is no. Okay, would you find the word rinse on on a dictionary page with the following guide words? Remark or roast? I. The second is I. I is after the E. So the correct option is yes. You can find the word rinse on the same page. It is yes. Got it? How yes? Just look at the second words. Remark is E and roast is O. And the word you have to look for is rinse. I is the second letter. You need to see if I is in between E and O. No, I is before E. No, sorry, I is in between E and O. So that means that is on the same page. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is use dictionary definitions. Okay, a dictionary entry can give you many kind of information. Like if you are looking for the meaning of the word in the dictionary, you can have more information about a word. It usually includes a definition of each of a word meaning or senses. Like you have the example is you have safe, then the second option is how to pronounce, then part of speech it is adjective, the other types are safer and safest. And then you have meanings. You have three meanings. Not in danger. You have a sentence, how to use it in a sentence. Then you have harmless. Then you have providing protection or shelter. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Then that would be more easy. Okay, look at this sentence. Dad checks his weight and blood pressure every morning. Select the definition of weight that uses the sentence. Okay, so each word have 2 to 3 meanings, different meanings. You have to look at the sentence and you need to see what type of like if the word weight is in the sentence, so what does the word weight means? Got it? You have 3 meanings of the word weight. How heavy something is, a piece of metal used to find out how heavy something else is, and a piece of heavy metal that some people lift to make their body strong. So, which is the correct option? Basically, here the word weight means how heavy something is. Got it? Option number one is the correct option. Okay, the next one is the Franklin grow tomatoes, carrots, and potatoes in the vegetable bed behind their house. Select the definition of bed that the sentence uses. You have to look for the meaning of the word bed that is used in the sentence. So, bed has meanings: a piece of furniture you sleep on, the ground that flowers or vegetables grow in, and the third meaning is the bottom of a body of water. So, which is the correct option? It would be the ground that flowers or vegetables grow in, because here you're talking about the vegetables and flowers. So you can select the word that is related to be the ground that flowers and vegetables grow in. You can just please write down the answer once. Okay, look at this sentence. Baseball game draw a lot of people to Blue Point Park. Select the definition of the draw that the sentence uses. So let's just see what is the meaning of the word draw. So here the word draw means to make a picture with pen, pencil, or crayon, to pull something up, and to bring in or attract, which is the correct option. Yes, that would be option number one, to bring or to attract people. Got it? So here the word draw means attracting people. Got it? Okay, the next one is Patrick practiced hitting the high notes on his flute. Select the definition of high that the sentence uses. Very tall, a large distance above the ground, and having an elevated pitch. So, what is the word high means here? Yes, the word high means please, please, please write down the answer only once. It would be having an elevated pitch. Option number two is the correct option. I can see all your messages. If you write once, I can see. Look at this sentence. Lisa brushed the horse mane, tail, and coat until they were smooth and shiny. So you have to look for the meaning of the word coat, which is the correct option. The options are a thick piece of paper you wear over your clothes, over your other clothes to keep warm. The second meaning is the hair or fur that covers an animal's body. And a layer of something like paint. So which is the correct option? What does the word coat means? Because it is related to horse. Got it? That means option one is the correct option. The hair or fur that covers an animal's body. That would be option number one. Got it? Okay, these cookies have dates and walnuts in them. So the meanings of the dates are the day of the month and the year, a planned arrangement to go out with someone, and a kind of fruit that is brown and sweet and grows on a palm tree. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be a kind of fruit that is brown and sweet grows on a palm tree. Got it? Okay, the next one is look at this sentence. Did you follow the directions when you tried to put the table together? So the word follow means to go after someone. So the word follow means to go after someone, to go along a path or road, or to act in agreement with. So which is the correct option? To act in an agreement with. Wait, got it? Here the word follow means to act in agreement with. Got it? Okay, the next one is dad was about to serve dessert when he was interrupted by a phone call. So select the definition of serve that the sentence uses. To prepare something for other people to use or eat, to help other people, and to start a game. So which is the correct option? That would be to help other people. Got it? Oh, it would be to prepare something for other people to use and eat. So you all replied option one. So you were right. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. So we are done with the chapter dictionary skills. We're going to start a new chapter that would be thesaurus. Let's just look at the next one. It would be thesaurus skills. Use thesaurus entries. Okay, how do we look at the thesaurus entries? So there is a difference between a dictionary and a thesaurus. Got it? Dictionary has the meaning of the words, but thesaurus lists synonyms. Synonyms means you have different words with same meaning, exactly same meaning or almost the same meaning. Which are the words with the same meaning or almost the same meaning? If a word is not familiar, the synonym is a thesaurus can help you understand it better. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, look at the thesaurus entry. Acquit. This is a verb. Then the definition is to find someone innocent. That is the meaning of the word acquit. And synonyms is clear, excuse, free, pardon, and release. So, whom should you acquit? A person who committed a crime or a person who couldn't commit a crime? Which is the correct option? It would be a person who didn't commit a crime. Look at the thesaurus entry abstain. The word abstain is a verb. It means to do without, and the synonyms are deny, forgo, give up, quit, refrain. Got it? So, which is something you abstain from? Which is the correct option? Okay, here the thesaurus entry abstain means. Okay, that would be the second option, something you choose not to do. Got it? Abstain means to do without, like you can survive without doing something, so it would be abstain. Got it? Very good. Okay, alibi, part of speech, it would be noun, a reason why someone could have committed a criminal act. Got it? Alibi is the reason of the crime. Synonyms are defense, excuse, explanation. Which is an example of an alibi? Which is the correct option? Being in another state when a crime took place, lying to a friend about the reason you couldn't do something. Which is the correct option? That would be option number one, being in another state when a crime took place. Okay, look at the thesaurus entries. Perpetual, that is adjective and means unending, occurring repeatedly, something that occurs again and again. Synonyms are ceaseless, constant, continuous, non-stop, permanent. Which is perpetual? Ocean tides or a rock which repeats itself again and again? So, which is perpetual? Yes, the ocean tides. They come and go again and again. So, they are the ocean tides. Okay, look at the thesaurus entry motivate. Motivate is a verb and it means to move to action. And the synonyms are compel, excite, inspire, spur, or urge. So, how might you motivate people? By renting them an apartment, by giving a powerful speech. So, how can you motivate someone? So, how do you motivate? Yes, by giving a powerful full speech, you can motivate the other people. Got it? Okay, look at the thesaurus entry irregular. It is an adjective. It means something that is not even. So the synonyms are changing, choppy, different, unsteady. So which has more irregular edges? A pieces of bark, a sheet of paper. So which is the correct option? So a sheet of paper has same corners. It doesn't irregular. It will be a piece of bark. Got it? Very good. Okay, look at the thesaurus entry eternal. So eternal is an adjective that means something that lasts forever. And their synonyms are constant, endless, immortal, infinite, permanent, or perpetual. So, which is eternal? Something that never goes away, an important family event. So, which is eternal? That means that is one or two. It would be one, something that never goes away, something that lasts forever. It means option one is the correct option, not two. Look at this thesaurus entry add-on. It is a verb and it means to decorate, and the synonyms are decorate, dress up, ornament, and which might you adorn? Some colored pencils or an outfit. So adorn mean yes, an outfit. The correct option is you can dress up, it would be an outfit. Okay, the next one is look at this thesaurus entry. It would be respite. It is a noun, it means a break, and the synonyms are break, pause, recess, or rest. Who is having a respite? Someone napping or someone working? So, which is the correct option? It would be someone napping, like someone is taking a break. So, it would be someone napping. Very good, everyone. Okay, look at the thesaurus entry. One, part of speech. It is an adjective. It means appearing pale and ill. And the synonyms are ashen, colorless, faint, ghostly, pale, which might be described as one, a table or a face. So, which is the correct option, a table or a face? Yes, that would be a face. Got it? Because your face is pale when you are ill. Okay, the next one is concord. That is a noun. It means a state of agreement. The synonyms are agreement, friendship, harmony, peace. Who has already reached a concord? Which is the correct option? A pair of business partners or a pair of enemies? That would be that is an agreement. So you can do an agreement between the business partners. So that would be option number one, a pair of business partners. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 language arts and we've started with the chapter dictionary skills. The lessons we have covered are use guide words and use dictionary definitions. Then we'll start with the new chapter that is thesaurus skills, and the lesson you have covered is use thesaurus entries. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? If you have any question, please ask. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.